In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy data from a PDF to an Excel table. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll want to start by opening Adobe PDF Reader. If you don't have it installed, don't worry, it's available for download online. Adobe PDF Reader is an essential tool for viewing and interacting with PDF files, which is crucial for our task today. Once you have your PDF Reader open, the next step is selecting the specific PDF file that contains the data you wish to copy. To do this, navigate to the File tab in the upper left corner of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Open. Browse for your file within your documents and import it into the reader. Make sure to give it a glance to ensure it's the correct file with the data you need. Once your document is open in Adobe PDF Reader, the next step is to convert the file. To do this efficiently, look for the Convert button. It's usually located in the top menu or can be found by right-clicking the document. Clicking Convert will open up a range of options where you can decide the format to which you'll convert your document. In this case, we're interested in converting our PDF to a format that Excel can handle smoothly, which is notably the Excel workbook format. Here comes a crucial decision point. Once you've clicked on Convert, you'll need to direct your attention to the available format options. From the selections presented, specifically choose Microsoft Excel. Selecting Microsoft Excel will automatically convert your PDF file into an Excel document. Finally, you've set the ball rolling for the conversion process. It's quite straightforward from here. Adobe takes the helm, working its magic to transition your PDF into a workable Excel sheet, preserving your data layout remarkably well. As soon as the conversion is complete, you'll have your document ready to open in Excel. You can explore the converted data and begin working on your Excel table instantly. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully copied data from a PDF to an Excel table. Not only is this method efficient, but it also ensures that your data retains its intended organization and structure. This conversion process can significantly streamline your workflow, especially when dealing with complex tables or numerical data. Do keep this handy method in mind the next time you find yourself working across these platforms. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guides you well in your data transcription tasks in the future.